In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Figma files to Studio. This can be incredibly helpful for seamlessly transferring your design work into a web development environment, allowing you to maintain that creative flow without missing a beat. To get started first, you'll want to open Studio. You can choose either a blank canvas or an existing site within the editor, depending on what you're working on. Once you're in the editor, take a look at the top bar of the interface. Hover over the Studio logo. When you do this, you'll see the Site menu reveal itself, which is your gateway to a range of options and tools. Now, it's time to access the drop-down options. This drop-down menu is designed to help streamline your workflow, offering various tools to integrate and enhance your site development. From the options presented, you'll want to click on Tools. This is where you'll find everything you need to make connections, adjust settings, and bring new elements into your project. Inside the Tools menu, you'll see the option to import from Figma. Selecting this will open a new panel on the left sidebar of your Studio interface. This is where the magic really starts to happen. Importing from Figma allows you to take those meticulously crafted designs and bring them directly into your web project, ready to be transformed into interactive and functional components. Now, with the Import from Figma panel opened, you can move to the next crucial step, which is grabbing the URL of your Figma file. Head over to your Figma workspace, navigate to the file you wish to import, and simply copy its URL. Once you have that URL, come back to Studio and paste it into the Import from Figma panel. This action essentially establishes the connection between your Figma design and your Studio project, laying the groundwork for integration. After pasting the URL, you'll notice a button labeled Connect. Click on it. This is a pivotal interaction, as it begins the process of linking your Figma project with Studio. To complete this connection, you'll need to go through a short, one-off authorization process. This step verifies and finalizes the integration, ensuring that both platforms are in sync and ready for collaboration. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to connect your Figma files to Studio, allowing your designs to come to life on the web. Remember, integrating design and development environments not only saves time, but also preserves the integrity and quality of your creative work. So go ahead and experiment with this process and watch as your online projects become richer and more dynamic. Happy designing!